Yeah, I'm an absolute pussy. I'm on holiday. I really can't be arsed getting in an argument with a police officer over why filtering the front is totally fine. So, yep, I'm a pussy.